Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Hmm? These days are rainy days, right? Days are fully wet. Do you feel anything? Hmm? Don't you feel good to go out? Do you want to be inside always? Because of wet day? Okay. What about your reading? Do you read every day? These days are good for reading. Okay. Wet days we like to be inside and to read something. So, my dear children, it's my humble request to you, read every day. Okay, I told you word by word, one sentence or two sentences every day, that's enough. Now, we completed two lessons. I hope all you completed your notes. Did you complete your note? I know some of you are abroad. Those who are abroad not able to complete their notes because they have some difficulties to get their notes. No problem. First you complete your notes, then study. Study slowly. Okay. Study new words, question answers and do the exercises. The back side of your textbook, Do everything properly. If you need any help, I'm always with you. Okay? Very good. I like your handwriting, your notes are very neat and you are doing well, my dear children. I really appreciate you. Very good, very good. How do you feel these rainy days? Huh? Dear children, now you know the corona pandemic situation, right? It is very dangerous situation, my dear children. So you be careful. Listen and obey your parents and be safe. Stay home, stay safe. I hope all my children listen their parents. Safe at home, my dear children. During these rainy days, do you like to go out? Yes, I do. I also like to play outside. But you don't play always outside, okay? When you go outside, don't forget to wear what? Wear raincoat. Very good. And use umbrella. Very good children. You know what all the things we carry during this time. Okay, good, good. Okay, we need umbrella. We need raincoat to wear during these rainy days. Right? All you have raincoat? Raincoat, it's a cloth, right? There are different types of cloth, You have different types of cloth, I have different types of clothes. What type of cloth I wore today? Tell me. Sari. Good. There are different types of clothes, right? Name them. Can you name? Yes, churidar, sari, skirts, blouse, shirts, dhoti, jeans. Yes, shorts, t-shirt, etc. etc. Let us discuss about clothes. It is your next lesson, new lesson, clothes. Now you told me, when you go out during these rainy days, you wear raincoat. We wear raincoat only when it rains, right? Otherwise, we do not want raincoat. That is only, the raincoat we wear only for those days. Like this, we have different types of clothes only for particular days. We wear only for particular days. Maybe for example, hot days, we don't like to cover much our body, right? Because very hot. And the cold days, if it is the day is very cold, oh, we want to cover our body, right? My dear children, why do we need clothes, tell me? We need clothes to cover ourselves. What is the use of clothes? We need clothes to cover ourselves, to cover our body. Because we need to protect our body from cold, hot and wet. Rain. That's why you wear raincoat when you go out. These days rains heavily, right? Yes, my dear children, here also. Morning to night, continuous day, fully rain. That's why I thought to take you outside. But it's not possible because of this rain, no? That's why I'm continuing my class from here itself. Listen me. We wear clothes to protect our body. Protect. നമ്മൾ പ്രൊട്ടക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. Mom protect her children, right? സംരക്ഷിക്കുക. Clothes protect us from the sun. And it keeps warm when it is cold. If it is cold day, you like to wear woolen coat, thick blanket. Maybe when we go out, we use monkey cap, muffler, shoes, socks. Without all these things, we can't go out. You don't like, I know, because don't like to get up early in the morning. When mom called you to go to school, you like to sleep again and again. No, mom, I want to sleep. And you cover your body with your blanket, right? Yes, because very cold. We want to protect our body with thick blanket because we want to keep our body warm. Okay, not only during this golden days or hot days we used to wear clothes or we used to wear special clothes, right? Dear children, maybe it is windy days. You know, windy days, the wind comes all dirts on our body, right? So to protect our body from dirt, we need to wear clothes. You know, if you go out, when you come back, you take a tissue or any cloth, cotton clothes and wipe your skin. You get that cloth, you know, become dirt. From where did it come? Outside. The wind brought all these dirts on our body. So that's why we cover our body with clothes. That's why we need to cover our body to protect from dirt, to protect from the sun and to keep warm when it is cold. Not only this, my dear children, now small insects are there because it is rainy days. Around our home, our neighboring area, there are many plants. So that's why mosquitoes are there, right? Many insects are there, not only mosquitoes, small black ones there, right? And they bite us. If we wear clothes or if you wear clothes to cover fully our body, stop insects from biting us. My dear children, when we wear clothes, we must wear clean clothes. For example, if you come to school, morning you come to school with clean clothes, clean dress, right? But what happened at the evening when you go back home? Like the same when you come to school in the morning? No, it becomes dirt. It becomes dirty clothes, dirty dress, right? From where did it come? From outside. When you play or the wind brought all these dirts on your body from down, right? So my dear children, you should clean your body every day and must wear clean clothes. Cleanliness is very important. We should keep our body clean and we should wear clean clothes. Are you tired, my dear children? Do one thing. Let's enjoy.
Igloo. It's a chilly winter day, freezing cold and snowy. Hooray! Hooray! I put on my mittens and hat, jacket shelter.
I hope all you enjoyed.
Dear children, now open your notebook. Take a new page. Put today's date. Then write Lesson 3. My clothes. Lesson 3. My clothes. Then write the new words. 1. Clothes. C L O T H E S. Clothes. Then protect. P R O T E C T. Protect. Then write the word insect. I N S E C T. Insect. Then raincoat. R A I N C O A T. Raincoat. Then umbrella. U M B R E L L A. Umbrella. Clothes, protect, insect, raincoat, umbrella.
Dear children, study properly. Okay? Close your textbook and notebooks. Good night.